Hi, you have earned a 100% on your syllabus quiz and are ready to get started with ALEKS. You should now be able to see Units 1 through 4 in assignments. Each unit has a link to ALEKS for you to use. This will be your gateway to ALEKS. The first time that you use this link, you should see a screen that looks like this screen in this PDF. The PDF can be found right below this video. Choose which one fits and hit Continue. If you are new to ALEKS, you will be moved on to the following screen. You have hopefully either bought your code through the bookstore and can enter it now, or you can purchase it directly through ALEKS. Once you have entered or purchased an access code, you will be asked to fill in some information and accept some terms. Since we have paired ALEKS with the Blackboard course, some of the required information might already be filled in for you. After that, it will let you know that your registration is complete and you just need to hit Continue. That will take you to your ALEKS student account home, where you just need to click on the course to enter it. If you've used ALEKS before, you are going to have two options depending on how you access ALEKS in a previous class. If the previous class was also paired with Blackboard, you can choose the Pair Back option. But if you accessed ALEKS from the ALEKS homepage, you will use your ALEKS login name and password, or click I forgot my login information if you need to. Regardless of which you choose, once you are done, hit Continue. That will then take you to your ALEKS student account home, the same as previous, and you just need to click on your course to enter it. The first time that you enter your ALEKS course, it will look like this. It will show you some useful features, like the menu button, which is very important. Follow the directions until it prompts you to get started. This will take you through a short tutorial, which I am able to skip for the purposes of this video, but you will not be able to. I'm going to do that now. Then there is a graphing tutorial, which I am also going to skip. After that, it will prompt you to start the initial knowledge check. This is just to see if you know any material, especially those who might be repeating the course, and will not be part of your grade. For this reason, read directions on the screen carefully and do not get help from others or from the internet. If you are unsure of your answer, it is better to get something wrong and be able to practice before the paper exam at the testing center than it is to get it right and not see it again until the paper exam, where you won't have help. There is even I don't know button for questions that you do not even have a clue on how to start. But you should try to answer if you think you might know something, because that will help the AI to better direct your path. Also, while there is nothing stopping you from using a calculator at home, try to keep it to a minimum, or only when the ALEKS calculator is available, as you will only have a 4-function calculator on your paper exams. There is not a set number of questions, but most students see around 30. Once you think you have the correct answer, just hit Submit. Again, you can hit I don't know if you have no idea how to even get started. You will not be told if you are right or wrong, but the difficulty of a future question will be based on the accuracy of previous questions. You keep answering questions until the AI feels that it understands what you know, what you sort of know, but need a review on, and what you do not know based on your answers submitted. You do not have the button to skip knowledge check. For the sake of the video, I am going to skip the rest of the knowledge check. You will not see the next screen as you do not have the option to skip. For the sake of the video, I am going to say that I have little knowledge of pre-calculus. Even with only having little knowledge, I was still given credit for some topics. That is because some of the topics in this course are prerequisites meant to fill in any holes that you might have from developmental math or high school. Math builds on itself, and if there are holes in your foundation, that will lead to a less than sturdy understanding of the course in the end. Next, it is going to take you back to your course home screen and give you some more directions and information. If you choose Continue My Path, it will start you on your first homework assignment, as well as any prerequisites that it feels that you need to learn first. The topic you are working on is at the top of the screen here. The first page is an explanation of how to do problems of this topic. Take notes to help you on your first problem. There are also links that you can use for additional help. You can click on the light bulb to learn of possible other ways to write the correct answer. On the right, there are also links to a video, the ebook, a dictionary in case you do not understand a term that is being used, the message center to send your teacher an email to their ALEKS account, and to print this page. Once you feel comfortable with the problem, you can click Start. Note the message at the top of the screen. A correct answer fills in one bubble. 2 correct answers in a row with no explanation help for the second problem fills in 2. If you use the explanation button, you only get 1 bubble. If you get the problem wrong, you lose a bubble. But if you can get the problem right on the second try, you earn the bubble back. You cannot go negative, but if you miss too many in a row, it will move you to a different topic and you will have to take a break on this one. Let me demonstrate a little on this first problem. See? 1 bubble. Maybe you feel shaky on this one, so you choose to go back to the explanation. It shows you how to answer that problem and then let you go back into more practice. Because I used the explanation, I only earned 1 bubble. That one I did without the explanation and earned 2 bubbles. This one I got wrong and lost a bubble. Let me fix it and recheck. I got my bubble back. And this last one finished the topic for me, and when I click Next, I get a screen of congratulations. You can choose to return to the home page or continue to the next topic. I'm going to go back to the home page. You are then told about the mastery, learned, and remaining bar at the top. Mastery means that you have gotten it correct on a knowledge check. Learn means you learned it on your path but have not yet gotten it correct on a knowledge check. And remaining is the number of topics left to learn. Please note the due dates on the left. If you have something else due in ALEKS, there will be the choice to work on something else, and you will just click on the other assignment. Be aware of your due dates. You can see the due dates in the calendar as well. Feel free to play with the settings and filters in the calendar. To go back, just click the menu button in the top left and choose Home. Feel free to explore the other options. Review is where you go to practice topics you have already learned or mastered. It will start you on topics that you struggled with the most, but it will also let you skip around the same as you would in Learn Mode, which I'm going to show you near the end of the video. There is also the grade book for you to look back at your grades. The grade book will only show items previously due or that you are currently working on. We also have the ebook under textbooks with an option to order a printed version. Last, though under used, is reports. I encourage you to explore all the options available to you. When you continue your path again, it points out the arrow key to allow you to look at other topics. The topics are listed in recommended order based on ease to learn. There are also filters if you want to search for a specific topic, change how things are sorted, or limit the topics that appear. Please note that some topics are locked. If you click on the topic, it will tell you what topics need to be done first, and you can click on it to be taken to that topic, if that topic is also not locked. If you finish the homework early, the course is set to allow you to only go forward, not backwards. All concepts due on the same day share a homework assignment. If you missed a topic on a previous homework, it will show up as a prerequisite when it is needed, or at the very least on the unit's last chance if there is a chance the topic will be on the test. However, doing a topic late will not improve the old homework's grade. You are graded based on how many topics you finished on time. If you finish the last homework assignment early, that allows you to go back to all the other ones, but again, this does not improve your homework score. If you have already learned or mastered a topic but want to practice it again, you can either do that by going to the menu and review, like I showed before, or you can go to filters and click review. Here you can see what you already know, even just off the knowledge check, and what homework it is giving you credit for. That is everything that I need to show you. I encourage you to also look at About ALEKS on Blackboard. It includes more background on ALEKS as well as a link to ALEKS's support page.